How to post long video on your WhatsApp status. To do that, first of all, make sure that you have WhatsApp installed in your phone with the latest version, because you won't miss out the latest feature if you did so. After you have done this, you can simply open your WhatsApp app. After opening it, you can click on the update option, and here you will see the option of my status. And when you tap here, you will now see the option of video. Just tap on any video that is very long, and when you click on it, you will see the interface like this. And here you can choose the option of choosing your video from time to time. So for example, if you choose this video like this and post it, then the next time you post your status, what you can do is post from the side where you have ended your video, and like this you can post longer video on your WhatsApp status. So this is how you do this. I hope you like our video. If you liked our video, then please to subscribe our channel.